My name is Tuukka and today is my birthday. And today I'm gonna become blind. We have two of these Nissan Digital Mark II Ti-866 professional flashes. And they're on full power, full zoom and full fire. And let's see what happens.
Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
I can't see shit. Mä oon sairas. Ei näe mitään. Ei näe yhtään mitään. 2 semmoista pistettä olisi.
So, Tuukka, please tell us, how are you feeling at the moment?
I'm dying at the moment.
Why are you dying?
I can't see shit.
Okay. Was it worth the experience?
No,
What can you see now?
nothing. Except shit.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Please try at home.
Ihan ollut sitä kuumotti ihan sikana. Ei näe oikeesti mitään. Kato telkkari tosta just erottaa. Ei näkään muuta mitään.